Hello and welcome to Mentor Idea. Here you'll find amazing free courses, jobs and internship videos. So guys, in this video I will tell you that how you can get this premium subscription of Skillshare free of cost. So this is available again for the students only, but I will tell you how you can create a email EduMail and you can get this free of cost subscription but before that I request you to please join the Mentor Idea Telegram channel so that you get every latest information on these tips and tricks and what is going on in educational field like IT field. So guys, you can just see that all the news and information I'm going to give you daily basis. What are the hackathons and what are the free courses you are from where you can get it, the null courses or premium courses like Geeks for Geeks, Coding Ninjas, Coding Block courses, Algo Expert courses, so PEP coding courses. All these courses are free of cost, you can get it. So guys, let me tell you now how you can create it, how you can create this account free of cost. Again I am going to tell you that this is a data camp courses free of cost I have already given, and you can see the Red Hat Linux courses and Coursera courses free of cost I have already given. So in this video I will tell you that how you can do it. So let's jump to the video straight away, and I will tell you that how you can create your account free of cost for the EduMail. So you can go to this 10minutesmail.net. Here you will get a email address and temporary email address which is .buzz, but how you can create a .edu, just you have to delete your email address, previous email address. Again you have to delete it, and you have to keep on deleting it till the time you are not getting a edumail.pl. So like this, here I got a edumail.pl. You can copy this address from this button and always paste over here in enter email address. Just you have to paste it over here and you are going to submit it. After submitting it, you will get again a success to please check your email for a link to redeem. So you can redeem this offer. Now you have to just wait for a second, and here you will get an email for a Skillshare that how you can get a free of cost 2 months free subscription free of cost. Again click here to redeem. So again you are going to redirect it to page where you can get a premium account free of cost for 2 months, and after that you can put up your name over here. So I am going to put a temporary name. Email address is whatever what the email address I have pasted, and again a password I am going to paste it again, the email address itself. Now select all the images. You can just select as stairs. Okay, now this captcha I have to fill it, and you have to verify it, and if you are verified, then they will redirect you to your next page where you can activate your offer here. So this is a simple procedure. I am a family and friend blog post, okay, from wherever you have activate. So you have activated the free Skillshare account, and you will learn unlimited courses for free of cost. And again, if you ask me how much time it is valid, again it is valid for 2 months. And what will happen after 2 months? You can always create a new one again for yourself. If you are in a school or college and you want to learn something, don't misuse it. Just keep on learning the things so that you get an excel in your life. So thanks a lot for watching this video, and do share the video to others so that they can also enjoy this offer. And you do join the Telegram channel where I keep on posting the important videos and important offers free of cost. You can always join me and ask me the questions. Thank you.